Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. This will be the first actual gaming video to come back on this channel. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure you guys can hear RM plays.
My YouTube channel has not been working, but I hope it works now.
You heard him, so. Hey, we got one bill. Hey, that's actually pretty good. Okay. We're not gonna read your, but yeah.
We've been playing this game a lot and it's been fun, so we were gonna play it on our YouTube channels.
I recommend that maybe you guys should probably play the game too. You might be able to see at least maybe one of us in a public server. Maybe.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Land backwards. Yeah. Okay, what do I have? I get 2 million stunts. Oh. Well, that was the comeback for my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, bye guys. I hope that worked. I hope that worked.
I'm still recording.
Okay. I'm still on YouTube.
So guys, I'm right now eating barbecue chips.
I'm gonna leave the game and go upload that on my channel so other people can watch it.
Okay.
So I'll be right back.
And guys, make sure to check out his channel RM Plays. Make sure to check that out. And also maybe check out my main channel, XXXAnnex, all capitals.
Raiden,
What?
I found why my YouTube channel's not working.
Why?
Because I'm calling you when I'm doing it, and that blocks my voice.
Oh.
That's why it hasn't been working.
Probably.
I'm just gonna... I'll do one after. I'm just gonna make this video anyway. So.
Okay. Maybe you could call me on your phone. So guys, so this video might not be as long, but yeah. I will be getting myself some thumbnails, actual thumbnails. Hey, and thank you to the person who just subbed to my channel, to my main channel. Make sure to go sub to my main channel. It's XXXAnnex, and also go sub to RM Plays. That will really help him. See how he's really trying to make a comeback to his channel too. Okay, well guys, my phone just died, but yeah. This will be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.